Presenting the 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.